In this video, I will show you how to change the speed in the Capcut app, so make sure that you download it using your App Store or Google Play. Also make sure that you are subscribed, so let's go. Now open the Capcut. I'll create a new project, so tap on new project button, then choose the necessary video you want to edit. I would like to edit this one. The next step, I would like to mute the clip audio and delete the last part with Capcut Add. So let's see how our video looks like before speed up. So just a simple moving. Okay, if you want to make it faster, just click on the video on the timeline and then go to speed option right up here, so we can see that we can normal or curve options. I would like to open normal, so here we just can change the speed of the wall video. So let's try to make it 4 times faster. So now click on OK and let's see how it looks like after editing. So as you can see now it's much faster. But what if we want to try to curve our video? We can choose the different templates or just custom it. I don't want to custom. Let's just try to think something like that. Okay, our custom video. So now as you can see, at one moment it's fast and at one moment it's slow. I think it looks good. So now let's export our audio and video. So done. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.